Is anyone held responsible in a case if a trench or a building collapses? Attorney Michael Joseph explains that. Trenches do not collapse and buildings do not collapse unless there is some negligence somewhere. Often with a new construction, which is more structural components collapsing, we have seen cases where something, such as a beam or support, is not properly positioned. It could be part of the ceiling, a load support which is not properly constructed, or shifts or fractures because it is overloaded. If the engineers did not properly assess the amount of support that was necessary to support an existing structural component, then there is definitely negligence or liability on behalf of the site owners. In the case of trenches, they are required to be shored and braced. If the trench or excavation is not adequately shored and braced, then they collapse or cave in, and the general contractor and landowner are responsible for any injuries or deaths that result. For example, in any trench or excavation, the regulations require either shores, struts, or braces that are of adequate size to provide stiffness and are adequately braced to withstand any loads imposed on the sides of the trenches which are supposed to keep it from collapsing. Call the law offices of Michael H. Joseph, PLLC, for a free initial consultation in New York today. With decades of experience, the New York law firm has represented people from every walk of life, including architects, doctors, small business owners, and even police officers.